Hey fam.
I hope you are all doing good. And
Well, I want to share with you a new AI workflow that allows you to combine
real videos like this with AI-generated clips. So,
let's see how it works.
First, go to Remix, and in the search tab, type in TechHalla, and you'll find my profile there. And that's where you can find this post to create your animated avatars. So copy the prompt, go to Magic Camera, take a selfie, paste the prompt, run it, and you're done. Next, let's move to Domo AI, choose the video option, and upload a video of yourself, like a selfie video. Choose the duration and select the fusion style. This will let you upload one of the photos we just created. Then write a prompt like Rick Sanchez with blue spiky hair and bear walking to describe the scene. Choose lip sync, enable subject only, and click generate. This will isolate your character's background, creating an amazing style like the one you can see.
Hey fam. I hope you are all doing good. And well, I want to share with you a new AI workflow that allows you to combine real videos like this with AI generated ones. So let's see how it works.